Hello friends, welcome to MySQL video tutorials series. In this video tutorial, I would like to discuss how to delete all records from a table. To delete all records from a table, we take help of truncate table command. Remember that in MySQL, tables are also called relations, columns are also called fields, rows are also called records. So in this video tutorial, we understand how to delete all rows from a table in one shot, guys. Basic syntax for deleting all records from a table is we write truncate table, then we write the table name from which we want to delete all records. Then we say semicolon. For example, let's assume we have already created a table called tbl_faculty and I want to delete all records from tbl_faculty table. To do that, I write the code truncate table tbl_faculty semicolon, guys. Let's go to MySQL console and understand how do we delete all records from a table. I say here show databases semicolon. We know that show databases command displays all databases currently available inside MySQL server. I hit enter. You can see that it has displayed all the databases which are available inside MySQL server. I want to create a database for City College. How do we create a database? We say create database, then we write the database name. I say here db_city_college semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed. Let's check out whether db_city_college database is created or not. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that db_city_college database is created inside MySQL server. Now I want to create tbl_faculty table inside db_city_college database. To do that, first I should select the database. How do we select a database? We say use, then we write the database name which we want to select. I say here db_city_college semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that database changed is displayed. That means currently selected database is db_city_college, guys. I say here show tables semicolon. We know that show tables command displays all the tables available inside currently selected database. I hit enter. It is telling empty set. That means there are no tables available inside db_city_college database. Let's create tbl_faculty table. How do we create a table? We say create table, then we write the table name. I say here tbl_faculty opening bracket, hit enter. Then we write list of column definitions. Faculties are going to have ID, so the first column name will be ID. Data type will be int. In brackets I say 11. Int 11 indicates ID column can store whole numbers containing up to 11 digits. I say comma, hit enter. Next, name, data type I say varchar of 25. Varchar of 25 indicates name column can store strings containing up to 25 characters. Varchar indicates variable length string, guys. I say comma, hit enter. Faculties are going to have salary, so I say here salary. Data type I say int. In brackets I say 11. Hit enter. Bracket close, semicolon, hit enter. You can see that query is executed. Let's check out whether tbl_faculty table is created or not. I say here show tables semicolon, hit enter. You can see that tbl_faculty table is created inside db_city_college database. Now I want to insert some records inside tbl_faculty table. How do we insert records into a table, guys? We take help of insert into command. I say here insert into. Then we write the table name. I say here tbl_faculty. In pair of parentheses, we write list of column names. tbl_faculty table has 3 columns: ID, name and salary. So I say here ID, comma, name, comma, salary. Then I say space values. In pair of parentheses, we write list of values to be inserted. I say here 1 comma, in between single quotations, I say Ramesh, comma, 1000, semicolon. First faculty ID will be 1, name will be Ramesh, salary will be 1000. I hit enter. You can see that one record is inserted. I want to insert one more record. I say here faculty ID 2, faculty name Rajesh, faculty salary 2000. Hit enter. One more record is inserted. Let me insert one more record. I say here 3, faculty name will be Rupesh, salary will be 3000. Hit enter. You can see that one more record is inserted. Let's display all the records available inside TBL_faculty table. How do we display all the records from a table, guys? We take help of select command. I say here select star from TBL_faculty. Star indicates all columns, guys. We are telling to MySQL select all columns from TBL_faculty and display data, guys. I hit enter. You can see that it has displayed TBL_faculty table. It has displayed all the columns and the data available in it. There are 3 records, you can see that. As I told, rows are also called records. We have 3 rows here. Now I want to delete all the records from TBL_faculty table in one shot. How do we do that? We take help of truncate table command. I say here truncate table, then we write the table name. I say here TBL_faculty semicolon. Remember that truncate table, what it does, it deletes all records from the given table. It will not delete the table itself, guys. As I told, if you want to delete table, you should take help of drop table command that we discussed already in the previous video tutorials. I hit enter. Query is executed successfully. Let's check out whether all records from TBL_faculty are deleted or not. I say here select star from TBL_faculty semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that it is telling empty set. That means there are no records available inside TBL_faculty table, guys. So that is how you delete all records from a table, guys. You just need to write truncate table, then you write the table name from which you want to delete all records. If you want to delete the table, you take help of drop table command, guys. If I say here show tables semicolon, hit enter, you can see that there is still TBL_faculty table available inside DB_city_college. If I want, I can insert records inside it, or I can delete this table itself. How do we delete a table? We say drop table, then we write the table name which we want to delete. I say here TBL_faculty. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. Let's check out whether TBL_faculty table is deleted or not. I say here show tables semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that it is telling empty set. That means there are no tables available inside DB_city_college database. Now I want to delete DB_city_college database. I don't want it in my computer. How do we delete a database, guys? We say drop database DB_city_college semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that query is executed successfully. That means DB_city_college database is deleted from MySQL server. Let's check out whether it is deleted or not. I say here show databases semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that there is no DB_city_college database available inside MySQL server. Now I want to exit from MySQL console. I say here exit semicolon. I hit enter. You can see that MySQL console is closed. I hope you guys have clearly understood how do we delete all records from a table in one shot. I suggest you people to watch this video again and again, understand everything clearly. Try to remember all the commands that I teach in this video tutorial series. Practice them as much as possible. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.